What's up, Average Dad fans? Welcome back to another video, and today is the unboxing of a very hyped Xiaomi 17 Pro Max. Without further ado, let's go! So yes, you all know the phone, you've seen the clips, you've heard me talk about it. Here it is in the flesh. As always, I like to highlight a good unboxing experience. The Xiaomi 17 Pro Max is no different. Inside you get your 100-watt charging brick, your USB-C cable, and a really cheap and nasty case that we'll come back to later on. Stay tuned to the end of the video. I'm going to test it on my iPhone 17 Pro Max. And now, of course, the phone. I have gone for the white 1/2 terabyte version. This comes in many different colours, many different storage variants on the Average Dad Tech Store. And what do you think? How does it look? Let's power it up and have a quick look at that rear display, which is impressive, I have to be honest. So, once powered on, go through the usual setup experience, and then we'll bring it back and install the Google Play Store. So here it is, the phone is set up. The first thing you need to do is go to your settings menu. In the search bar, simply search Google. Here you can see Google Play Services. Toggle this on. You go to the Xiaomi App Store. Search for Google Play Store. And then sign in. It really is as simple as that. And before I show you all my Google apps on the device, you can purchase prize draw entry tickets to win the Xiaomi 17 Pro Max on the live draw on November 1st. So, here's the phone, the Play Store installed with all my Google apps. This all happens automatically when you sign into your Play Store, register your fingerprint on the Play Store, and everything's there. As normal, every app, banking app, social media app, no workarounds whatsoever. So, I want to cover this because there's been a lot of talk about the case for the Xiaomi 17 Pro Max. This was posted in my members group chat this morning. So, I've got the device, it has a case, I want to test it out. Now we know the Xiaomi is copying the iPhone in many different ways. But have they been so blatant to copy the dimensions of the device as well as the look and feel? Remember, this is a 6.9 inch display on a Xiaomi Pro device for the first time ever. Very convenient. Here you can see the cheap and nasty case from Xiaomi fits perfectly on the 17 Pro Max. It's weird saying 17 Pro Max, you know what I mean, the Xiaomi. Now let's test it on the iPhone and see what happens. Do you think it'll fit? Well, yeah, it fits, but not really. As you can see, the button placement is completely different on both phones, so zero cases are going to fit both devices purely because of the button placement. Now it's close, but unless you want to contact the emergency services, do not put a Xiaomi case on your iPhone. So hopefully that's cleared up Casegate. Now I do just want to mention this phone looks stunning. I'm going to use it for the next 48 hours and then drop my first impressions. The rear display has a lot of functionality. HyperOS has been improved somewhat and I need to test out the cameras. So if you haven't already, give this video a little like. And as always, until next time,